Hi sewing friends, it's Alice Murray and you have joined me on day 67 of 365 days of sewing makes. And today I have titled this episode A Cautionary Tale in 3 acts, and we will get to that. But first I'll show you what I made. So it's very flowy, drapey pants and a little jacket and a little sleeveless shirt to go underneath it. This material I just love. This is also part of Fabricland's fall cinnamon collection, and it is just beautiful drape to this, beautiful rich color to it. It's some sort of polyester, but I just love it. I just love it. So I thought I wanted to, maximize the material. I want to thank again my dear, dear sister-in-law who went to Fabricland and Facetime me so I could shop, and picked out this beautiful material. So anyway, I am my own worst enemy. So I thought, well, I want to maximize this, so I want to make pants and a jacket and a little shirt, little top to go underneath. So I chose Kwik Sew 4262. You've seen this pattern before. I made a blue chiffon top and a pair of white pants. And the reason I like this pant pattern is it has a very nice wide waistband. There's a waistband and a zipper. And then for the little top, I chose Butterick 6142, and you've seen this before too. This little asymmetrical top. I have made an asymmetrical version, and I also made one that was straight across. It very good little sleeveless top for wovens. And for the jacket, I chose Butterick 6387, and it's just got kind of a little drapey collar. After I made, you might have remembered that linen suit I made, I used the top of this dress for the linen top, and was really wishing I had enough linen to make the jacket with. So I was excited that I could make this jacket. Well, this is where things started going wrong. This is the pattern piece for the jacket, and this is the armhole, and then it's got this kind of sharp corner, and this is the drapey bit. And I had to work so hard to get all of the pattern pieces on the fabric to get them cut out, to get it all to fit. I think I had 2 meters about the material. Well, I cut it out, started sewing it, and then saw that it said on here, cut 4. That you cut one of this for the outside and another for the facing. Well, I did not have enough material to go back and cut out a facing. So, and that sharp corner made just kind of funny pokey outy things here. So I put a couple darts in the back, folded the drapey part over, because once it was finished, I couldn't just leave the finished edge sticking out, and put a button hole and a button. And I would love, 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 love to hear what you think of this jacket. Is it something a person can wear out of the house? But my troubles did not stop there. Oh, no, they didn't. Then I went to make the top, and I made a dress with this lovely material that I will show you one day, but did not have enough to do the back. So I just took all the scraps I could and made it like a crazy quilt. So the back I just pieced together, and actually, you know what? I kind of love it. So I'd love to hear what you think of that, of my crazy quilt shirt. And then the pants. I went to do the waistband on the pants, and I had the same problem. The waistband on these pants say cut 4, not cut 2, cut 4, but I did not have enough material left to cut anymore. And so I just folded the waistband over, put elastic in it. There is a little bit of stretch in this material, so that actually worked fine. So despite everything going wrong, I kind of like this outfit, and I would love to hear what you think of it. And just want to end again on the grateful note of my dear sister-in-law and all the other dear people who are doing things to keep me in fabric. I really appreciate it because I'm chugging through it. So I hope that you are sewing, and I hope that you're reading your pattern pieces before you start cutting, because that's a good idea. Because sewing is so much fun. Till next time.